In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up to Zukul. When you come to the Zukul site, you'll get this message to agree to the cookie usage. So you just click that. But let me show you in the back office first. I'm in my account here, and as you can see, we've got a fiat to crypto trading bot. We've got a semi-automatic trading bot where you do a bit of work and the bot gives you some signals. We've got a bot that trades gold with Bitcoin. We've got crypto to crypto. Of course, you can use any, there's so many pairs, crypto pairs that you can use. You've got your archive bots and you've got your binary bots. So if I look, this is my fiat to crypto. I've got quite a few bots, and as you can see, the ROI down the right hand side here, all of my bots are actually in profit. And on my binary options bots over this side, so let's just click this button. I've got a couple of bots running at the moment. If you look at the left hand side, this blue symbol, that indicates that I'm trading with live money, okay? And if I just click this button here, it will switch over to demo. You see, and it would say the demo there. So I'll switch back to live. And if I come over to the right hand side, the profit, this is the important bit. I've got $35.31 profit from this bot and $80.95 from this bot here. And if I go into the archives, you can see I've got lots of profit here. I've got a couple of bots that have lost, okay, but you know, 264 profit. To lose $20, not bothered. 320 profit, 346 profit, a few smaller ones. But as you can see, if I go down the screen, there's lots of blue. The orange means here that the bot didn't make any trades and I just closed them. Now, if you want to use either the binary bots or any of the trading bots that we've got, you're going to need to have a few things in place, okay? So once you've created your account, I'm going to show you how to do that in a moment. If you come up to the trading robot menu here, and then you go down to getting started, on this page, you'll find everything you need to get started. Setting up your exchanges. Obviously, you're going to need some trading exchanges. And in that section, we'll show you how to do that. If you don't have a bank account or a credit card and you want to find an alternative way to buy cryptocurrency, we've got a section there that covers that. Licensing and packages, frequent asked questions. Start trading today. We walk you through step by step on how to set up your first trading robot. We've got our communities, which is our Facebook group, our Telegram group, and our YouTube channels, and how you can become an affiliate and how you can earn money as an affiliate. There's a section on that. And then we've got our getting started for setting up your binary options trading robots. Okay, so let's get you started by signing up your account with Zukul. So when you're on this screen here, you'll see that this video plays. And if I just jump down to the products, so we've got the starter package, and you'll pay this in Bitcoin, okay? It's giving you what it is roughly in pounds here. Obviously, if you're in the US, it will show you a different number because it knows where you are in the world. Now, with the starter package, you get the crypto to fiat, you get the crypto to crypto trading bots, and you have a maximum trading budget of 300. Okay, that's just to get you started if you've never done any trading. I'd recommend the beginner package. Again, it's showing here in pounds because I'm in the UK. Now, what you get with this is the crypto to fiat trading robot, the crypto to crypto, the semi-automatic trading robot, and a maximum trading budget of $1,500. Now, you can pay extra to get access to the binary options robot with this package, and the same with the intermediate and the advanced. So I'm going to click on the registration button. All you need to do is to put your name in here. Then in the next box, you need to provide an email address, then create a password. And then here you'll choose your package that you want. I'm going to recommend the beginner's package. Then you need to check this box to say you're not a robot. You may get a pop-up to ask you to, just to clarify that you're not a robot. And then once you've done that, you can click this button here that says create account with Zukul. You'll get this pop-up. You'll need to read the user's agreement, the statement of policy, the privacy policy, the refund policy, the cookie policy, and the earning disclaimer. So once you've gone through all those, you just put a tick in those box and you'll be taken to here. Give you this Bitcoin address here, but all you do is you copy this address here. It's unique to you, and you send the exact amount of Bitcoin, which is this amount, to that address. And I've sent that. So what I do is come back over to Zukul, click this button here to say I've paid. What this does is the system's now checking the blockchain to make sure that your payment has been sent. but you will be sent an email from Zukul. So if I go over to my email, and here's the email, payment details from Zukul. In this email, you're going to get your email address that you used and the password that you used and the amount that you need to pay. Once the system has processed your payment, you'll see this pop up. Click that there, and it will take you straight into the getting started page. You'll get this this pop up. You'll just need to accept that. So you just need to accept and proceed. What you'll have is your getting started page, but I want to take you over to, first off, the trading robots. So if I go over to the trading robots and I go down to the dashboard, here you'll be able to set up your robots from here, and you'll need to watch the getting started page. But if you want to get access to the binary options robot, if you click this button here, you will see you'll need to pay an extra fee of 0.15 Bitcoin. So all you need to do is to click on that button there to pay the fee now. You'll get this pop up. Now, if you want to be an affiliate and promote this business as well, you can tick this box here and it will add the affiliate fee. Both of these fees are yearly, okay? They're not monthly. So you get your monthly package that you pay on a monthly basis. But these fees for the binary options robot and the affiliate package are yearly fees. So if you want to be an affiliate as well, you tick that box, and it's going to tell you you're going to pay this much Bitcoin per year. It's going to add the two together. You'll need to, again, agree to these various terms and conditions here. And then what you do is click this big blue button here. You'll get this pop up here, and you'll need to send this amount of Bitcoin, okay, to that address. And then once you've done that, you click paid. And again, it will go through the same process of through the blockchain. And then once that's been approved, it will then give you access to the affiliate system and the binary option trading robot. If you don't want that, then you'll get access to the robots that come with your package. So the main page that you need to look at once you're on the inside to start trading straight away is come over to the getting started. So it's the trading bots and getting started. Now, if you have any problems, in the top right hand corner, you'll see your name. And if you go down to there, you'll see support tickets. You click on there and you can open a support ticket if you have any support issues. So I hope that video helps, and I'll see you in another video. You have a great day. Bye now.